Now our next step in our putting in a drawstring is to actually put the drawstring in. So we get your drawstring pre-cut so that it is a little bit longer than the area that it's going to get inserted into along here. Now I have already sealed in the edges with a little bit of sticky tape like this. So just wrap a little bit of sticky tape around those edges. Now we're actually going to insert it not firstly through here. We're going to firstly insert it using a safety pin. And I'm going to go through both the sticky tape here and the drawstring itself, making sure I've got a really good solid grip on it. And I'm going to insert it first from this point down here. And then later I'm going to bring them out. This is because I'm not going to be able to get a safety pin through that little eyelet, but I do need the safety pin to lead the drawstring all the way around. So now, similar to what I would do if I was inserting elastic or anything like that, I'm using the safety pin to push and pull the drawstring all the way along. So it just takes a little bit of time, a little bit of patience. Gather it up, pull it along, and you'll work your way all the way around. Now as you get to the other side, I've gone all the way around. I am going to go all the way out the very bottom bit, not out the eyelet. So here's my safety pin coming through, bringing my drawstring with it. Now I'm going to take the safety pin off, and I'm going to carefully thread my sticky taped area back up and through the eyelet now. So I can go back up here. You can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm working very much by feel and on the inside. I'm feeling where it's going. I'm getting it to the eyelet. I'm passing it out of the eyelet. And now my drawstring is coming through the eyelet like this. And I'll repeat that on the other side. And then that's your drawstring and eyelet stage done. And you are ready to continue into the next production step, which is attaching your hood to your jumper.